Predictive maintenance of transport infrastructure can noticeably improve reliability and availability. Modern trains are equipped with sensors monitoring the vehicle-track interaction. The acquired data are gathered and processed by onboard units, thereby allowing insights into the track health status. Combining data from several journeys allows for trend analysis and predictive modeling of the track conditions. Intelligent algorithms based on machine learning can then be used to identify critical track sections and hence to support the planning of maintenance actions. Switches and crossings are essential for the rail network. Automatically monitoring these assets, intelligent algorithms detect anomalous and faulty switch behavior. Various causes of failure need to be identified and distinguished, taking weather conditions and other factors into account. Comprehensive diagnostic models provide detailed insights regarding the most likely sources of error and allow to derive optimal troubleshooting strategies. To keep trains on rolling, we bring together sensory measured data, machine learning, and domain expertise. DLR TS